Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by loading your EXR that already contains a valid Z channel. This is essential because Z defocus uses scene depth to calculate blur. Once done, make sure your colors are linearized and camera focal length is correct so blur scales properly. Create a working depth plate next. Run a Z blur or use a depth to position workflow to smooth holes and remove spikes, because noisy depth will create ugly rings. Now you're ready to build the actual bokeh node tree. Next, drop a Z defocus node and plug its depth input to your clean Z channel so the blur is depth-driven. Set your focal distance to the intended subject and adjust max blur to taste. Increase samples to reduce noise but balance render time. For shaped bokeh, enable bokeh mode and either import a disk texture or create an iris with a roto node. This controls highlight shapes. Make sure to enable pre-filtering to avoid aliasing and test, with moving camera frames to check artifacts. Finally, composite the blurred pass over your sharp beauty using a mix node driven by a matte if needed, and use grade or hue correct to boost specular highlights so bokeh pops. Add subtle chromatic aberration and vignette for realism, and then render a short sequence to inspect motion behavior. If you see halos, missing blur, or hard seams, run a small Z blur to smooth depth, apply edge extend to edges, or median filter problem frames. These fixes remove common Z precision and seam issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.